n8n drop out the official n8n AI benchmark system. Here you can find the best model for your workflow. Most of the person don't know which model I use for the n8n workflow. In this video at the last, you completely know which model I use for my workflow. So let's get started. Here's you describe your JSONs. Here's you describe your workflow, paste your JSON file. The AI analyze by itself and give you the best model for your workflow accordingly. So first, here's the name of the all models, like 60 models, and it and paste here. The average per million tokenization price is per million like 10 lakhs, and the per million tokenization is Grok 4 is the best models for any 10 accordingly. The $0.3 and $0.7, and the overall the complete average score for the benchmark in 88, the best for Grok 4. So let's I in here you can see the categorize. You can also categorize the models by the name, and here's the price. I select the box of average per million price, and also you can set average per thousands price, but I select the average run cost. I just paste here my input token. Input token is depend on your system prompt message and your input message. The completion token is basically called output tokens. Like you can paste here your output tokens like the output answer in your text format, plain text format. Like the basically most of the workflows, if anybody use a AI chatbot system, basically I use 4000 input tokens in accordingly plus system prompt message, and the output token is 200. You see there I use here the 400 tokens in my input and 200 for output tokens. These you see that report the average run price is accordingly per request for my models. Grok 4 is 0.0009, and Qwen and Gemini Grok Cloud 4.5 0.015. If you use any tools like in the n8n chat systems, you see that the best models for you, you just click here the best model for your 3 Pro preview and a Gemini 3 Pro. The if you are using any model for the logic reasoning, the best model for the Coin 3 VL. If you are using a scoring purpose, you see that the best model for the Olama. And you have, if you are using for your task for just for flow the classification, the best model for the Grok 4 file. The structure output and structure output basically same for the block. And speed, if you are using need a best speed to deliver a quick answer, the best model for the Gemini 2.5 and Meracrovi, and the cost efficiency best for the Llama Pod and Miami, and the that cheapest model. In case I just guide you the best model you can identify, and here I describe my n8n workflow. As with n8n AI, the n8n give me the best model for my use case. The best model is for me Grok 45 is the best model n8n described for me. This is the average run cost is 0.09 for my average per tokenizations. If you are new in this video, you can also join my communities and my school community. Here's I provide my all JSON YouTube files you can easily find, and shares my channel and subscribe my channel. If you need any custom automation, you ask with me comment. In the next video I completely make for you.